Assalamualaikum friends and viewers and my dear subscribers, welcome back to my channel and your favorite channel, The Bright Ideas. So friends and viewers, The Bright Ideas is uniquely and specially designed for fashion lovers all over the world, and this channel relates to new update of fashion items, and we provide you top and gorgeous and beautiful collections of clothes, stunning jewelry, stylish handbags, shoes and sandals, and many more. So friends and viewers, you can ask if you want more updates of any topic. I will help you and I will show you whatever you want. So please friends and viewers, do subscribe it and make sure to hit the bell icon if you are enjoying this amazing video. My dear friend and my dear subscribers, today I'm gonna show you the best and the latest collection of current fashion, and these articles are not only fit with your style and your budget, but also manage to represent everything that's special about your personality. And these designs are all the way comfortable and elegant and easy to wear, and created keeping in mind the trend and the color of the season by the top fashion designers. So friends, please subscribe it and make sure to hit the bell icon if you are enjoying this amazing video. My dear friend and my dear subscribers, as you know that we always try to make our subscribers updated about latest fashion trends and living styles and much more. So take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel, because this channel will provide you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country, and you will find your new videos about all type of fashion and all type of dressy design, beauty tips, health tips, shoe design, sandals, handbags, and many more. So friends, I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and as you know that this channel is really amazing channel, all the videos are really amazing. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, and you can also comment if you have any suggestion for us to improve our channel, and you can tell us in the comment section that which video we should do next and which video we should make more for my viewers and my subscribers. Thank you so very much for watching this video, for your time, for your love. Keep supporting, keep subscribing. Stay blessed and stay happy. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum friends and viewers.